We got a very special package in the mail today. One of my favorite kind of packages. This right here is a brand new prototype HyperShift. Never been sprayed before. What makes this different is that it's the first HyperShift, the first pearl really in the world that's a hybrid. It utilizes the technology from color powder HyperShifts and interference style HyperShifts in one powerful package. And we're spraying it today on the Evo. Gabe, any expectations?
I'm clueless.
Yeah, we don't really know what to expect. We've been told that it may be a little bit tricky to spray. So the end result, we're just gonna be 100% honest and transparent with you. Whatever we get, we're gonna share with you. So we're gonna be spraying it in satin top coat today. I think Gabe and I talked about lowering the pigment load because, as you guys probably know by now, any pearls that are notoriously tricky to spray, you're better off going low pigment load and adding more if you need to because it's way more forgiving. So 12.5 grams a gallon instead of the usual 25.
It gives you a lot more control.
It does. So one thing I noticed right away, if you look at it in the back, it's got obvious color shifting properties, but it's also got this kind of like silvery
pastel effect.
Almost, yeah. And then check it out in powder form. Watch this. It is color powder, but look how freaking sparkly that is. That is an insane amount of metallic and sparkle. This stuff might be pretty nuts. So here goes the right amount, hopefully. This will be 25 grams, and we'll cut it like we always do. All right. I mean, the color on the top is intense. I hope it's not too hard to blend. It looks a little on the clumpy side. The color that I'm seeing straight on is completely different than the color on top. That's a good sign. But you're getting a little extra sparkle. So the color powder is going to want to cover the base coat, but the interference part of it is going to want to play a role with that base. Oh, man. What are you seeing? I'm seeing funk.
Some greenish teals, purples.
With a heavy sparkle, too. I can't wait to get this down on a car. So whatever the heck this is, going down on the Evo, let's go. All right, guys, we just finished up the project, and wow. I mean, we're in a low light situation right now outside, so I don't think the sparkle is gonna show, but the saturation and the color shifting effect might be one of the most intense we've ever seen. I think there might be something to this hybrid technology for sure. I'm gonna take it outside right now. You guys know what to do. Take a good look at it and rate this car 1 through 5 in the comment section below. Let me know if you love it, if you hate it, and if you think we should be bringing it to market. If you want to dip your own car, your own wheels, your own emblems, it's super simple. All of our do-it-yourself friendly kits are in one spot for you right here. We had an unbelievable time on this video today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you on the next one.